Right, nginibingelele kunamukela kuyona i-channel of welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome back to Chef The Soul TV News. If you are new, please don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe and like my videos, guys. So namhlanje futhi ngilethwa kakhulu udaba likaMakhathi. Makhathi beloku ekhala ensukwini, yabo? For only one reason. And lesi sizathu lesi esingacika amaciko amaningi by amaciko ngisho ama-artist amaciko amaningi ngenxa yezikhalazo abake bazenza kwi-department ngenxa yey'ngqinamba abahlangabezana nazo, yabo. So uMakhathi ey'nsukwini nje ey'ngengakanani bekumele attend enye yama-events laphayana ke-BET Awards. Sikhumbule ukuthi ube omunye wabantu abanominathiwe and luckily waba nenhlanhla yokuthi-ke abe ngomunye wabantu abanqobayo, okay. So ngesikhathi-ke elapha kwi-podcast ka-MacG uye kwanasikhathi-ke la aveza khona ukuthi-ke no imali noma-ke u-funding mayelana-ke ne-trip yakhe le azoyithatha-ke ahambe aye eMelika uku-attenda-ke ama-awards-ke uyibolekile and uyiboleke komashonisa. That means she took a loan for her trip, yabo. And abakwa-Department of Art and Culture, Sports, Art and Culture, then ba-responda-ke to ngizothi-ke to le speech noma to le statement eshiwo uMakhathi during the time lapha kwi-podcast ebuzwa-ke noma-ke ekhuluma laphana-ke no-MacG. So into-ke enothisekayo ukuthi-ke instead ukuthi i-department ikhulume nge-support kuma-artist, ikhulume ngokubaxhasa nge-funding, bona bakhetha ukuthi-ke basebenzise-ke i-reference noma-ke the past COVID-19 grant ekwakuthiwa-ke inikezwa noma izonikezwa ama-artist. Enye nje yezinto zokuqala leyo aba-athekhe ngayo and babhekana futhi-ke nomuntu oyedwa of which vele baningi abantu-ke abacomplainayo ngendaba ye-funding when it comes to ama-artist and the Department of Sports, Art and Culture, yabo. It's not only uMakhathi ocomplainayo ngalokho, njengoba nike nambona nje kade ekhala kwamanye ama-video la kulezi nsuku. It because kunabantu abamlandelelayo manje ngendlela akade esho ngayo, abamfonelayo, kunama-calls angenayo ngapha nangapha. Kushuthi-ke kunama-threats kahle kahle awa-receivayo noma awatholayo regarding le statement-ke aqhamuka naso, okay, during i-interview yakhe. Okubuhlungu ukuthi-ke njengoba-ke ekhala noma-ke kade complaina ngendaba yokuthi-ke awukho funding akawutholile since ezothatha uhambo oluya eMelika to attend ama-BET Awards. It's because yabo umuntu mayezoba ne-complaint enjengaleyo artist evelele njengoMakhathi and bese kuba ukuthi-ke kuney'nsongo noma kunezinto-ke ezenziwayo ey'khulunywayo ngale ukuthi-ke hayi manje ngoba lona-ke saye samsiza njena-ke siyamqasha njena. uMakhathi uyaqashwa yes, kodwa indlela aqashwa ngayo it's not because umuntu uma umqasha usuku lo muntu akona ukumxhasa lokho, yabo. It's not supporting lo muntu loyo ngoba nawe i-service yakhe usuku uyidinga, yabo. uMakhathi is using i-skill sakhe, i-talente lakhe in exchange of cash. So she's delivering i-service in exchange of cash azokwazi naye-ke ukugcina-ke iy'dingo zakhe ngawo, yabo. Uku-attenda kwabantu kwi-venue ngeke bekwazi abantu kuba khona kwi-venue ngaphandle kokuthi kuze kube khona umuntu mhlampe oba-influensayo ukuthi-ke babe khona abantu, or else ngaphandle kokuthi-ke kube khona umuntu onandisayo because siyazi ukuthi amanye ama-events adinga abantu abazonandisa. Naye kusuke exchange lawo ma-services lawo esingaku-understandi-ke noma okunga-understandeki ukuthi ngempela if ever kune-artist egcina-ke ithi mayicomplaina nga-something or else ngoba I don't think ukuthi ube-directe ngendlela engekho right kwi-department uma ephendula esho ukuthi no, mina ufunding onjengalo angingakawutholi noma angingutholile, alukho xa sengilitholile ngenxa yokuthi kanje. I think i-department ibaselwe noma-ke ithukutheliswe ukuthi abantu like i-public iyona i-public eyenze njani noma-ke ama-citizens iwona ekugcineni athekha yona-ke i-department ukuthi-ke how i-department kungathi-ke umuntu eyo-representa i-South Africa because kuyenzeka lokho kuma-sports, abantu bayafandwa kuma-sports, yabo. abantu bayasponsorishwa kuma-sports by i-department. Why? Just because bayokwazi ukwenza njani, bayo-represent i-South Africa kwamanye amazwe. So in the case of uMakhathi bekumele nakuyena futhi kwenzeke the very same thing. If ever complaina ngaleyo nto leyo noma ke eyikhuluma leyo nto, then abantu bese bayacomplaina on her behalf, angikholwa ukuthi ke i-department ke beku-right ukuthi igcine izikhipha ngisho i-list yabantu abasiza during isikhathi se-COVID-19, because igcina ibala oMzokoloko, oKelly Khumalo, siyabazi baningi abantu abahlomula laphaya, o-Ata Mafokate nabanye yabo. Naye uMakhathi ungomunye wabo labo bantu laba abahlomula ngaleso sikhathi, but i-case leyo kwakuyi-case yangaleso sikhathi, not njengamanje, ayifani ne-case yamanje. Njengamanje bekumele aye eMelika eyo-represent i-South Africa just because she was nominated laphayana eMelika. If ever kuvela futhi ke enye opportunity yokuthi ke enga-represent i-South Africa kwenye indawo, kuyi-duty ye-department ukuthi ke iphinde futhi ke imxhase ngaloko esuke iyokwazi ukuthi imxhase ngaleso sikhathi leso, not ukuthi vele nje i-department ibe quiet, or else i-department ukuthi ke mayihlatshwa inhlali kodwa bese kuba ukuthi yona ayikwazi ukuzwa, yabo. So guys, I don't know if you have anything to say, but I'm sure kukhona ke engakusho mayelana nokuphatheka kwaMakhathi, nokuthi ke okumnandi nekugcina sesikubona ukuthi ke manje sekungenelela ke amanye ke ama-political parties okuthiwa ke hands off uMakhathi, just because ke ngoba ngempela ke kusho ukuthi ke kuningi ngempela ke okungale thina esingakuzwa okwenzakalayo behind the scenes, yabo. Ujika ugcina esenza ivideo nje ereporter ngalento le noma ngendlela aphatheke ngayo nje, ingenxa yokuthi ke seku beyond, yabo, sekungale kokwazi ukumelana nesimo ngempela abhekene naso. I-EFF nayo okumnandi ukuthi ke isibe ngabanye babantu abathi ke hands off uMakhathi. ANC Youth League, yabona, i-ANC Youth League nayo isisho the very same thing futhi ukuthi ke no, ama-artist noma ke amaciko vele adinga ukuthi ke asupportwe, vele kune lack of i-support to bona. Therefore akumele ukuthi ke kungaze kucindezelwe umuntu wesifazane ozizamelayo ongasebenzi kodwa osebenzisa ilentuzana ithalente lakhe ukuze kwazi naye ukuthi ke ezondle or provide to ifamily yakhe, yabo. Kuningi okwenzakalayo, and if ama-artist enga-voice out ikhalazo zawo, that means kugcine kuthulakele kanjalo, ngoba kusatshwa u-government. So guys, ebengingakucela ukuthi ke if you have anything to say ngalo lolu daba, please do comment on the section down below. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like the videos that you post, and yeah bafethu, I think if you have any suggestions futhi again mayelana ke nama-video bafethu ke or mayelana ne-content yethu, you can also do comment la kwi-section ngezansi. Don't forget to also press lapha kwi-bell in case we post a video nawe uzothola ke i-notification. Danko.